In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Analyze feature in Pikzels AI. Let's get started. First, log into your Pikzels AI account and go to the dashboard. Click on New Chat, then select the Analyze option. Here, you can upload a thumbnail image or paste a YouTube video link. Enter the video title as well. Once you do that, click Analyze, and Pikzels will scan the thumbnail and get a performance score. At the top left, you'll see the overall score, and when you click on it, Pikzels will show detailed metrics like curiosity, virality, and idea strength. This helps you understand why a thumbnail may or may not perform well. If the score is low, the easiest way to improve it is by clicking One-Click Fix. Pikzels will automatically regenerate a stronger version by improving the weak areas and making the thumbnail more clickable. You can also use this on thumbnails created from prompts or recreated designs. Just check the score, analyze the weak metrics, and run One-Click Fix again if needed. This is one of the fastest ways to turn an average thumbnail into a high-performing one. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link goat.pikzels.com/dine in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.